friends, welcome to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Goan fish curry masala in a very simple and easy way. And to do that, let's go and start it. So to prepare the fish curry masala, I'm using one whole coconut, which is 250 grams. 4 Kashmiri red chilies and 2 bedgi chilies or normal chilies. This I'm using just for color texture. 4 garlic cloves. If small, then you can use 6 garlic cloves. 1 inch of ginger. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 large teaspoon of coriander seeds. 1 lemon-sized tamarind soaked in water. Now I'll use 250 ml of water. Here I have got 200 ml of water and I've already used 50 ml of water where I had soaked the tamarind and added along it. Now let's grind it to a smooth paste. Friends, our fish Goan curry masala is ready now. And if you like the way of doing the masala, please do show us some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. So friends, you can store this in an airtight container and refrigerate it for a week, or can keep in a freezer for 30 days.